When I was a boy, we had a family dog who would stand at the fence and just stare out at this goose. The rest of the flock had left, but this one goose had stayed behind. And every morning when I would go to school, that goose would be out there staring at the dog.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gee. You're cute as you can be.
My mother and father, they joked about the dog falling in love with the goose. I know how much you miss him, Mom. I know, but you know, I can help you with stuff around your house. No? Mom, you need to get rid of that junk. No, I just thought Yeah, I did hear somebody at the door. Yeah. No. I can take care of that. I'll put it in the dumpster. I can do it.
Hello.
Hi. Mom, gotta go. No, I gotta go right now. Sorry. Bye.
Oh, geez, I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to interrupt your call.
You okay?
Can I come in?
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Thank you so much.
Wow, what'd you do?
It's nothing. It's just a little cut.
It doesn't look little. It's bleeding pretty badly there.
What's your mom gonna think?
I'm sorry?
Well, you were on the phone with your mom just now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I just don't want her to worry. You had to hang up, so...
Oh. Well. How'd you hurt your hand?
It was stupid. You know, my grandma.
What? What about your grandma?
Well, she's, like, really forgetful, and, she locked me out of the house, and I was afraid she was gonna hurt herself. She's kind of old, you know, and I went around back to try to get in, but the back sliding glass door thing was locked, so, I just tried to make a little break in one of the windows, and it was stupid. It's dumb.
You know, you might need stitches on that. You should see a doctor.
Oh, no, I can't, though. I can't leave her alone. And she can't drive me, that's for sure.
Well, I can't. I'm busy here, so.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know about you.
I'm sorry, what do you know?
I know, it's it's dangerous.
What, the cut?
No.
It'll heal.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean for you. Having me here right now. But don't worry, okay? I won't tell.
You should go.
No, I'm just trying to say, I think it's all bullshit. Like the list and everything, it's such bullshit. It's just this stupid little town. Stupid little fucking town. You know, in a big city, people wouldn't even talk about that. People wouldn't care.
Thank you, but you need to go.
No, I'm sorry, okay? Don't kick me out. I need somebody to talk to. If I have to spend one more minute with that old lady in there, I mean, there's only so much estrogen a man can take, right?
There's lots of other men to talk to.
Not like me.
What?
Look, I'll go, okay? It's just that, oh. Gosh, I'm sorry about that. Let me help you. I'm clumsy. It's just hard, you know? To be different.
Yeah?
I don't know. Sometimes I just think that,
Think what?
I just think how much easier it would be if I was just not around.
Shouldn't think like that.
Well, I mean, how do you do it? It can't be easy with everybody talking. You never even...
Never.
Never?
Never is it an option. There's always somebody around to talk to.
Not around here.
Did you do that just to talk to me?
No. No. I mean, of course not. Look, I'm not crazy, okay? It's just that, I just need somebody to talk to.
Okay. Okay, but we need to talk in public.
Why? Because of the list?
Yes, but there are other reasons.
You know, it wasn't that bad.
What?
What you did. Come on, everybody knows. It was in the paper.
Yeah.
People like my grandma, she knows, you know, she reads those things. She's always going on and on about how important it is to know, to be informed, you know. How you're monsters. Such bullshit.
I shouldn't have been in the paper.
No, I know. I didn't even know that was illegal. It was an adult bookstore, right?
Yeah.
They have like booths and everything. They're private. I thought everyone back there did that.
They do. I just picked the cop.
Get it out.
And it wasn't.
I mean, come on, it's good to talk, really.
Yeah, I guess.
So, do you learn your lesson?
No.
No, huh? Why not?
Look. I told you something, now you tell me.
Oh, well, I don't know. I don't have any stories, really. That's the thing, right? I guess the most I've done is, like a peek at the old men showering at the pool.
You like old men?
Yeah. It's really weird, right?
No, not at all.
I've never done anything about it, though, you know? I'm kind of like a dog, like chasing cars. Wouldn't know what to do if I got one, so I just watch. I like to watch.
Well, that's safe. Nothing wrong with that.
So what about you?
I really don't have anything else to say.
Is that the worst thing you did? The bookstore thing? I mean, to tell you the truth, I didn't even know that this town had one of those.
No, I did other stuff.
You got caught?
Yeah. A long time ago.
Doing what?
It's not important.
Oh, come on, did you fuck a kid or something?
No, God, no. No, this was a bad idea. I shouldn't have
come
said
on, then
anything.
what?
I just...
Then what was it? If it wasn't that, then why won't you tell me? Those fucking lists, you know? They make people sound like child molesters and perverts, and you don't look like either.
I'm not.
Then what? What could be so embarrassing?
I'm not gonna tell you anymore.
Sometimes, at that pool that I was telling you about, when it's just this one older man and me in there, he'll play with it a little bit. He pretends like he's washing it, but he must want it really clean. I think he sees what it does to me, you know?
Yeah.
Fuck. Half the time I have to think of fat old ladies just to keep from popping a big boner right there. See, I told you one. Now it's your turn.
All right, I'm kind of like your old man at the pool. I like to be watched. You know, there used to be this spot out in the woods. It was kind of like a rest stop.
Mm-hmm.
Truckers mostly. And
Yeah.
I'd sit in my car and
And work one out.
yeah, I guess.
Well, that's nothing.
It was enough.
Oh. Oh. 2 strikes, huh?
Yeah. So you should go.
Why am I making you uncomfortable?
No, that's the problem.
What are you? Getting hard?
That is none of your business.
Yeah, it is. It's because of me.
Oh, God. You're gonna get me in trouble.
I'm getting hard.
Oh, you're gonna get me in trouble.
Stop saying that. I want to watch you.
No way.
You know, if I wanted you busted, I could have just told about the little game we played the other day at the window. I'm not interested in busting you. Why would I do that? You're hot.
You're too young.
You think I'm ugly?
No.
I knew it.
No.
I knew it.
No. Come on. You're beautiful. You know that.
Well, then live a little.
When you're 18.
Oh, what's 3 months? Huh? I could have busted you already. You know that. When I'm 18, I'm not going to be around this shithole town anymore.
Stop
And
that.
I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
I don't know about that.
It'll be just like before, but without the window.
Like your old man at the pool.
Yeah, exactly. I'm just gonna keep going until you whip it out. Yeah, show me. Hey, wait, hold on. Don't go yet.
Why not?
I want to suck it.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Come on.
I'm not really into that.
Oh, please.
Fine. But I have to use a condom.
What? Why? What do you got?
It's just safer.
Come on, I'm clean.
Healthy habits. Sorry.
It's fine.
That's it. Okay. Wow.
I lied.
What? About what?
I did do this just to talk to you.
You're crazy.
Maybe just a little.
Well, that's not so bad. Just be safe.
Hey, could I get a towel?
Yeah, of course.
Fuck.
Listen, you know, I really have to thank you because the What are you doing?
Well, you're about to rape me.
What? What? No! Wait, shit! No! Fucking stop! Stop!
Oh, come on, fucking
What are you? Oh!
Yeah,
What
come
the
on.
fuck?
More bruises the better. Hit me back.
What the
Come on,
fuck?
fucking hit me.
Oh.
We can be adults about this, right? Can't we? Huh? I need a favor.
Fuck you!
Yeah, you did. You did. And now, well, now you're fucked. So, hey, let's make a deal. You raped me. That's what I'll tell the police. Not that, like, you needed to rape me, per se, but statutory. It's not weighty.
I don't have any money. I'm broke. What the fuck out of me?
I got that part, bud. I got it. But you see, I just go to the cops and they can pump my stomach, find your fucking splooge, and it's an open and shut case. You did some good work with this thing. Oh, fuck! Shit!
Asshole! You asshole! You want me to rape you? Huh? You want me to rape you? All right, come on, throw up! Throw up! Ah! Fuck you!
You don't get it. You're not supposed to do that. I just want to talk, okay? Fuck!
What do you want?
Hey, what do they do to pervs in prison, huh?
What the fuck do you want?
It's simple. I want you to kill my grandmother. Yeah.
What? What?
Yep, I know. It sounds really horrible when I put it like that, but you wouldn't like her. You wouldn't. I don't like her. You know, she doesn't fucking make cookies or any of that shit.
I'm not doing it.
All right, man. Take a fucking seat. Come on. Take a seat. Here's the thing. Oh, man. She's fucking rich, my grandma. She's loaded. She never spends a fucking thing, and I'm stuck here taking care of her. When she goes, I'm rich. I'm young. I want to get the fuck out of this town. I definitely don't belong here. So, you're gonna do it. Just think of it like a scholarship.
I'd rather go back to jail.
Strike 3, right? Is that right? Man, that's a lot of jail. Look, I know, it's a big decision. It really is. But, let's see. I have about 24 hours until I shit this cum out. Oh, look. You should just sleep on it. But if I don't hear from you tomorrow, I am going straight to the police and I'm gonna get my stomach pumped and my ass checked and, you know, these bruises and everything, I'm pretty sure I'll have a case. Or you could just, put an old woman out of her misery.
Get the fuck out.
Come on, man. Do the right thing.
Remember the story of the dog and the goose? Well, turns out the dog, he ate the goose.
Mom.